get it out of your system? No, not yet. What are you doing, Scarlet, you cutie? Huh? Are you comfortable? You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are. So is this one. So is that one, getting in a basket. My pretty girls. Oh, look, that's gotta be a boy. Oh, Scarlet. Scarlet. You little fraidy cat. You're so cute, Arrow. I guess black cats are fraidy cats. Isn't that what they're notorious for? And to making you jinx or something when they cross the street in front of you. Scarlet, you're so pretty. Did she get cat scent all over that toy and ruin it for you? Did she? Precious girl. I love you so much. I love you so much. I can't believe you got gray hair. Anna, come on. Get away from that stuff. Definitely not stuff like that. It's not cool. Where'd you guys get all my ribbons at? How'd you do that? I don't even know where they are. How could I? I know, right? This basement is so full. It's transformed like 6 times in the past 3 years. 4 in the past 4 months. So it's kind of in between transformations. I don't know what it's going to be yet. There's going to be a living space, an animal-only space. It was a jewelry shop. It was a laser shop. It was a woodworking shop. It was a place just to store 2 cars and 2 lawnmowers. And it's been a place for one more thing we did with it. Oh yeah, for the storage lockers. So this has been one busy basement. Plus it does laundry and fixes every broken thing. Meaning me. I have to do it. Oh, Yorkie. So we were going through all of our stuff trying to make room. That's my bin. Oh, my precious little baby boy. So we had to shove everything that we had that was in boxes into here, and I was getting desperate for space. And it's putting all my little teeny tiny parts and bits, because I like to work on electronics and pick locks and whatever, a bunch of stuff, emboss, make candles, whatever I feel like doing. That you can easily Google and find out how. So we're just now starting the actual day. I've been up all night long with my fire. Still burning logs. I'll be doing that till the day I die. But I'm thinking about starting a channel that's nothing but fires and storms. Because I have a fire every day and they're beautiful. And I photograph them, and I have been since we moved here. Maybe before that. Yeah, even before that. And some of them are live, some of them is video, but they're all beautiful to me. But other people love fires too, they're therapeutic. What are you looking at? You listening to mommy talk? Just to talk. Somebody's gotta hear us sometime, even if it's 100 years from now, right? Hey, don't even get nosy about that Scarlett O'Hara Butler Jr. Hey, don't even think about doing anything crazy like that. We just got it today. You can look at it once and then never go near it again. I heard dogs do atrocious things with those sometimes. You're such a cutie with your little tail barely wagging. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're gonna dance for mommy? You wanna dance? Come on. Come on, Scarlett. Here, up. You won't do it on command. Oh, there's your new kennel cage. The triplets are going to get shots tomorrow. Their second round. Annie was limping the day after she got hers. It was so sad. Oh my God, it was heartbreaking. You guys got new litter today too. I gave I think it was crystals, all crystals. I mixed it half and half with their old litter. But today they got the new box and I just threw it in there. They probably reject the hell out of it, but it's worth a shot. They got 3 more litter boxes upstairs they can use. You guys really like laying on this cold floor, don't you? My feet are frozen. I can't believe you like that. Cats are supposed to like to be warm. Google said so. You're so cute, little one. Come here, Arrow. Somebody come here and give me some love. Please. Precious babies. I love them all so much. Look at her. God, they're so cute. They're so full of life. Oh, they're getting ready to do something adorable. I can feel it. Like the way he's walking. He's getting ready to do something cute as hell. Oh, Paul, miss it. Oh, look, they just missed each other. That was so funny. She's gonna try again. Oh, that's so precious. Look at that. They're both trying to stalk each other and they're not very good at it. Oh my gosh, look at that cuteness right there. They have an obsession with these lawnmowers. Don't eat the grass. Don't eat the grass, baby boy. That'll make you sick. Hi, Annie. What you doing, honey? What you doing? Huh? Where's your meowing at? Why aren't you walking around grouchy? I miss that. Arrow, you gotta stop knocking the food over, dude. I can't sweep it back up. You put it back in there, that's nasty. $25 for a 3-pound bag. I can't afford to throw it away. You don't care, do you, Annie? You little street rat. Oh, I would kiss you right now if I could get to you fast enough. Look how beautiful you are. I don't get it. The whole buying cats thing. I don't get it. The free ones are just as cute to me as the ones that you pay money for. And you're saving them. I wouldn't love these guys any less. Not even if I gave birth to them, probably. Not an insult to my own children. I do have two that I love very, very much. But you guys, I love very, very much too. Mom's garlic. And my grandchildren. You're so cute. Okay, we're gonna shut it off. My battery's done. Good. Oh, see, it just now said battery's dying. Look at that cute picture we found in one of the lockers. Okay, bye guys.